Hi, welcome to Capitanejo Spa. My name is Luisa. Hi, guided tourists. Beautiful vacations. Logins. We offer you very comfort cabins, cool and serviceable, for rich rates. Likewise, they are offered space hotels with a variant and room service. Recreations. Your funds slates to enjoy a delicious bath. Also a large pool de tents. A spectacular days. Muy beautiful. Food and drinks. You find very delicious typical food such as tamales, the mutter Santanderians, the goat and many more berries. Also delicious drinks such as natural lemonade, shisha, beers, and many more to sweet your palates. Delicious. Tourist place. You find the Chicamocha River, the most typical place in the region is water and whirlpool makes it unique and beautiful. Muy beautiful. At the same time, there are wonderful landscapes. It is a unique view that fills you with peace, tranquility, and unity. You win harmony with nature. We are anxious for you. You will have an exceptional vacation. Thanks. Bye bye.